Hello everyone, it's Miss Myers. I'm going to go over the packet right now for first and second grade. So this is first and second grade for this week, April 6th through April 10th. So let's start with the first page. So the first page is this one, the staff, high and low. So musical sounds, low and high, are shown by the position of the notes on the staff. Notes that are higher on the staff have a higher sound or pitch that are lower. So anything that's written on the bottom, okay, is low. Anything that's written higher on the staff sounds higher. So the first exercise you're going to do, you're going to draw a circle on the line that's given. So keep in mind, in fact, this might be helpful, is to number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll see if I can get that. So I numbered the lines from 1 through 5 starting from the bottom. And then I numbered the spaces 1 through 4 starting at the bottom. So that is a kind of a helpful tip to remember where you're supposed to draw your note. All I want you to do is just draw a circle. Okay, you're just going to draw a whole note. So you're going to draw a circle. Okay, so the first one says line 3. So you're going to go line 1, line 2, line 3. Okay, line 3. So I drew a circle around line 3. I'm going to skip line 4. I'm going to go to space 1. So you're going to draw a circle in that first space, okay? So the bottom space, and that's what you're going to do. Now, it also says circle the highest note you drew on the staff. I'm just going to tell you right now, line 5, okay? So you're going to draw a circle around line 5, and then you're going to circle that measure just like that. Okay, so I gave you the answer. So fill that out. All right, so number 2, you're going to use an arrow to tell whether the pitch is higher or the pitch is lower. So if it's higher, the arrow goes up. If it's lower, the arrow goes down. And what I want you to do is use the second note to tell you if it's going lower or higher. So if it seems like it's lower on the staff than the first note, you're going to draw a down arrow like the example they gave you. If the second note seems like it's above the first note, see how it's above? You're going to draw an arrow going up, okay? So for ones that look really close, just do your best with it, okay? So the first pitch is here, but then this one's on the next line down. So you're going to draw an arrow going down, okay? This one, same thing, you've got a pitch, but it's right below, okay? So some of these might be really super close, so you're going to have to look really hard. Some of them are going to be obvious, like this one, okay? First note, and then look how far up that is. So you're going to draw an arrow going up, okay? So you're going to keep doing that all the way through. And that's exercise number 2 on this page. Now, number 3 is a little bit different, okay? But it's the same type of thing. So you're going to write the letter H or write the letter L. H stands for higher and L stands for lower. So you're going to write the letter H if the second note is higher, or you're going to write the letter L if the second note is lower. So on this first one given, we see the first note is here, but then whoop, it comes down. Okay, so we're going to write an L. So we wrote an L. Okay, on the second example here, we see the first note here, but then whoop, up. Okay, we see that it's higher than the first note, so we draw an H. Okay, and then just do the best you can. Now, for something like this where it's super duper close, you just have to kind of use your best guess. Okay, I'll just tell you, this is on the line below the space, so this gets an L. Okay, in case you were wondering. Okay, I gave that one away. So that's your first worksheet, okay, high and low. The second worksheet, instrument picture matching. All you're going to do here is you are going to find the instruments on the right and draw a line with the instruments that match on the left. So for example, you see a violin here, you're going to draw a line to where you see the violin, okay? You see the xylophone, you're going to draw a line to where you see the xylophone. And you're just going to go ahead and do that for every instrument. And then if you want, go ahead and color the pictures. So that's worksheet number 2. Worksheet number 3, music alphabet. What's next? So remember that your music alphabet only goes up to G. So I'm going to write this A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It does not go to H. That's very important. So I don't want to see after G here, I don't want to see an H. What you're going to write after G is you're going to go back to A. You're going to write A. Okay? So it's going to look like that. So the first one, F. What comes after F? The letter G. So go ahead and keep singing the alphabet song. That's good practice. Okay? A, B, C, D. Okay, once you get there, write a D. Okay? And just keep going with it. Okay? Again, don't put an H there. That would not be right. So that's worksheet number 3. Worksheet number 4. Okay? Early bird's bedhead. So what you're going to do with this is you're going to draw a line matching the note value to the numbers given on the bird's head. So we know a quarter note gets 1 beat, so we're going to look for where number 1 is, and we're going to draw a line. You can even circle number 1 if you want to. You could circle it to make it easier to see, and then you're going to draw a line from number 1 to the quarter note, okay? And so maybe you want to find number 2. We know a half note gets 2 beats, so maybe you circle number 2 and you draw a line to the half note, okay? And basically you're making the bird get hair. So I've done the other 2 for you. We know that this is a dotted half note. It gets 3, so we're going to draw it to number 3, okay? And then that leaves the last one, or whole note, which gets 4. Okay, and then you can color in the picture if you want to at the end. So that's worksheet number 4. Okay, worksheet number 5. I want you to actually sing and follow along with it, okay? We've done this in class before. Not a lot, but it's probably something that we'll kind of use as an activity when we do our Zoom meetings. So you're just going to start, and then each verse you're going to clap the letter, okay, the next letter. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'll tap with my pen. That way I can hold it up and see. So first, you don't clap. There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, so that's what you're gonna start with. Then you see where it says clap. You're gonna clap the letter B, but still say I-N-G-O like this. So remember, I'm gonna tap so you can hear it, okay? So that way I can hold it up. There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, I'm laughing because my dog is confused by that. But anyway, you're gonna keep going. There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, and then here you'll clap 3 times. Here you'll clap 4. When you get to the last one, I'm going to do the last one for you. There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, and Bingo was his name. Oh, okay, you're going to clap all 5 letters of Bingo. You can color the dog, okay? I'm perfectly fine with that. All right, and that's your worksheet for April 6th through 10th. That's your music packet, 1st and 2nd grade. If you have any questions, again, always email me at jmeyers@sacprep.org, jmeyers@sacprep.org. These worksheets will be available in the cafeteria tomorrow for pickup between the hours of 8:30 and 12:30, and then again at 3:30 to 5:30. I will not be there tomorrow. If you have any questions about it, though, I will be on campus the next Wednesday doing packets. So you can wait till then if you have questions. If not, please email me and get in touch. All right, have a good day. Bye.